Car accident lawyer. Car accidents are common, but that doesn't make them any less trifling. Often, what follows the crash is a long physical, emotional, and financial recovery process that can be taxing. Most of us are only aware of the basics when it comes to dealing with insurance companies, which can leave us vulnerable to low offers of settlement. During those uncertain days, you should consult with a car accident lawyers in order to understand the law and get the compensation to which you are legally entitled. Car accident attorneys are skilled at negotiating with insurance companies and know when to refuse a settlement offer because it is too low. Common car accident injuries. Car accident injuries can range from minor to severe. The following list outlines some of the most common or recurring injuries suffered by car accident victims. Traumatic brain injuries. Car accidents are the leading cause of traumatic brain injuries in the US. Traumatic brain injury or TBI results when the brain is damaged by an injury to the head. The injury can result from a blunt blow or a sharp piercing wound. Injury to the spinal cord or neck. The forceful impact of an accident can cause severe damage to the spinal cord and neck. Uncommon neck related injury known as whiplash occurs when the head moves back and forth in a quick, jerking fashion. Damage to the spinal cord can range from minor to severe, with some injuries resulting in partial or total paralysis. Burns. The body can be burned in many ways during or immediately following an accident. If your skin comes into contact with hot fluids, surface or chemicals, you may suffer burns. If the car catches on fire during the accident, you may incur severe burns that require surgery or skin grafts. Fractures and broken bones. It is no surprise that broken bones and fractures are common in car accidents. Broken legs, ribs, arms, ankles, and wrists occur due to forceful impacts and can range in severity from fracture to total break. Some broke bones will require surgery to be reset and healed properly. Facial injuries, broken glass, and impact with the steering wheel can cause cut and other injuries on the face. If severe surgical correction may be required. Soft tissue injuries. It is easy to think of soft tissue injuries as less severe, but this is not necessarily true. Soft tissue injuries may not become noticeable or apparent until days after the accident. Damage to organs may not be evident to the naked eye and can cause serious life-threatening injuries. Post-traumatic stress disorder. Not every injury resulting from a car accident is physical. Many people suffer from mental and emotional trauma after an accident. Post traumatic stress disorder, diagnosed by a trained physician. Symptoms typically include feeling worried or anxious about activities that used to feel normal to you. nightmares, nightmares, and memories of the traumatic event. What you should do after a car accident. In the minutes and hours following a car accident, you may likely be injured, disordered, disoriented, or unsure as to what steps you need to take. Your safety and the safety of others involved in the accident are paramount. This list should help guide you in how to respond after you have been involved in an accident. Call 911 and immediately seek medical treatment if you or anyone else has been injured. Do not try to move them, but rather what wait for emergency medical personnel to arrive. Go to the hospital and have your injuries examined and documented. You will need these records for your insurance settlement. If you are able, get the names and contact information of anyone involved in the accident or any witness. Take photos of the accident and the scenes. If you are injured, leave this step up to the police who respond. Do not admit fault at the scenes or at the hospital. Contact earlier to discuss the details of your case. Our attorneys will offer a no obligation consultation of your case. The earlier you retain a car accident lawyer, the sooner you will be on your way to receiving the settlement offer you deserve after an accident. When should I hire a car accident attorney? If possible, you should talk with a car accident attorney before you talk with the insurance company. Insured parties who obtain representation receive higher settlement offers than those who do not. It is rare that the everyday person would have the legal know-how to handle dealing with the insurance company after an accident. This is especially true if you have severe injuries, extensive damages, and are looking for a hefty settlement offer you cover your losses. Any good lawyer will offer you a pro bono consultation of your case, so you have nothing to lose if you don't choose to retain their services. An experienced car accident attorney can help you better estimate your current and future losses related to the accident. Furthermore, an attorney is unlikely to accept the first offer made by an insurance company. Your attorney is not afraid to reject lowball offers and take the insurance company to court if needed. Remember, when you file a car accident claim, you oppose the at-fault driver's insurance company, not the driver. The insurance company has extensive resources at its disposal and handles car insurance claims every day. It is not always the case that the insurance company is intentionally trying to lowball an offer to you, but their end goal is to settle for the least amount of money possible. Hiring an experienced car accident attorney helps to level the playing field, so to speak. Like the insurer, your attorney handles cases like yours daily and understands the negotiation and settlement process better than you. These are the primary reasons you want an experienced at to handle your case. The CEO lawyer is not afraid to stand up to insurance companies and take them to court when they want to settle for less when you are owed. Furthermore, after you have been injured, it is best for you to focus on recovery, not fighting with the insurance companies. Let Ali Awad handle the stressful aspects of insurance litigation while you work to get your life back to normal.